In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and format images in Google Docs. First, let's add an image to the page. Open your document, go to the Insert menu, choose Image, and then pick where it's coming from: your computer, your drive, or by URL. Once the image appears in your document, you're ready to control how it sits with your text. Click the image to select it. A small toolbar will appear beneath it. Click the Wrap Text icon there, or open Image Options and go to Text Wrapping. Now choose the wrap style that fits your layout. Wrap Text lets the paragraph flow around the picture, and you can drag the image anywhere on the page. This is great for side-by-side layouts or newsletter-style designs. Break Text keeps the image on its own line with text above and below, giving you a clear separation that's easy to manage. Behind Text places the image underneath your words, useful for subtle backgrounds or watermark-like effects. Just keep contrast in mind so everything stays readable. In front of Text puts the image on top of your words, helpful for call-outs or overlapping elements, but be careful not to cover important content. If you want the image to stop shifting as you edit, fix its position on the page. After you've chosen a wrap mode, click the three dots labeled More on the toolbar, or open Image Options and choose All Image Options. Under Position, select Fix Position on Page. This locks the image to a specific spot, so it won't move when text reflows. To place it precisely, adjust the X and Y coordinates. X controls horizontal placement from the left edge, and Y controls vertical placement from the top. Use these values to align images across pages, match a template, or create consistent spacing. Next, fine-tune the spacing around your image. In the Wrap Text settings, adjust the margin, which acts like padding. Increasing the margin adds space between the image and surrounding text for a cleaner look. Decreasing it pulls text closer for a tighter layout. Finally, resize the image for the right visual balance. With the image selected, drag the blue corner handles to scale proportionally. Use the side handles for specific width or height adjustments, but watch for any stretching that distorts the image. If resizing shifts your layout, revisit your wrapping choice or margins to keep everything neat. And that's it. You've inserted the image, chosen the right wrapping, fixed its position when needed, set precise coordinates, adjusted margins, and resized it for a polished document. Pause and practice each step, and you'll have confident control over images in Google Docs.